If your heart hurts or you feel weak at heart, this is a very important question to ask yourself. Who has your energy right now? An ex? A conversation you had, something that happened in the past? A person you're trying to prove yourself to? Let's sit with this for a few minutes together. Most of us don't realize how much we've given our energy away. We've given it to old arguments, to people who misunderstood us. We give it to future scenarios that may or may not happen. We give it away when we're trying to prove, perform, and perfect. And then we wonder why we feel so drained, why our hearts hurt, or we feel weak at heart. In yoga philosophy, the heart isn't just emotional, it's also energetic. It radiates, it expands, it connects. So when the heart and its energy is scattered, no wonder we feel weak. But when the heart's energy comes home to itself, we feel so powerful, so clear, certain. We feel like ourselves. So today's meditation is about calling that energy back to yourself. No cutting cords, no drama, absolutely no force about it. Just consciously calling your energy back home where it belongs. Your heart was never meant to be stretched through so many timelines like this. It was meant to reside within you each and every moment of your life. Let's do this together. I'm Lex, internationally certified yoga therapist and yoga teacher. Please like and subscribe to my channel where I offer weekly Dharma talks, guided meditations, yoga flows, and motivational quickie videos, all here to support you in genuinely loving the life that you live. Please take a comfortable seat for meditation. And if you feel like you cannot sit up tall through the spine and still be relaxed through the body and alert in the mind, then I encourage you to find another position where you can achieve that. So whether that's lying down, or seated in a chair, on the ground, propped up, whatever it may be for you. Let your skin, let your whole body arrive. Your skin soften, settle in, and if it feels okay to you, close your eyes. Wherever you are, place one hand on your belly and one hand on your heart. And just start here. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And a long, steady exhale through the mouth. Again, just like that. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, rest your awareness on the direction of the breath as it flows. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And then let your breath be completely natural. Unforced, unstructured, organic and authentic. And just as you accept your breath as it is, transfer that same felt sense of acceptance to yourself. The state of your body, the state of the mind, and the state of your heart. And if it feels right, place both hands on your heart now. Like you're cradling your heart, you're holding it. And in the sacredness and intimacy of this moment, Ask yourself, who has my energy right now? Don't overthink it. Just notice what arises. Could be a person or a conversation, an old relationship, maybe a mistake, something you're trying to fix or something you're trying to prove. Notice what surfaces. When we feel tired or overwhelmed, when we feel weak at heart, can often be a sign that the energy of our heart has been stretched too far and is too thin. It is not because we are broken. It is not because we are incapable. But we are dispersed. And it is time to call our energy back to its origin, our deepest heart. And so saturate all of your awareness to your heart center. And visualize its soft, luminous glow. That the heart has its own type of container. It is this sacred space where the energy of your power and your true self is held. And start to visualize all the tendrils of your energy reeling back. Call them back to their origin, to your deepest heart, this sacred container. Command. You have this power. Command that your energy return to you now. You may even imagine thin threads of light releasing from people, places, things, concepts, ideas, pressures, and returning to your deepest heart. No drama, no force, just a natural retraction of that which belongs to you. You may even say in this moment silently to yourself or out loud, the energy I have left in the past, I call back to me now. The energy I have sent to the future, I call back to me now. The energy I have given away, I call back to me now. See the light in your heart chakra start to grow, swell, expand, and radiate. Take a slow breath in here. Your heart is a steady sun, your power center. Let it glow quietly from the center of your chest out, shining bright in all directions, in, out, top, bottom, and around. Let this light invigorate and charge every cell of your body. Your heart is home. Your heart is home. Take a final deep breath in. Exhale completely. And slowly, only if you feel ready, gently open your eyes. I truly hope that this was helpful for you in some way. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Every week I upload new videos, whether Dharma talks, yoga flows, guided meditations, or quick motivational videos, all helping to support you in reaching what I believe to be the ultimate goal of yoga, which is genuinely loving the life that you live. Please comment below how this video touched you and your life, and send it to someone who could benefit from calling the energy of their deepest heart back home. Until next time, much love, big hugs, and namaste.